What's up, beautiful people? Welcome to day 2 of my vlog here, traveling back to Kenya, my beautiful motherland. So as I told you guys in my last vlog, is that I was living in Dubbo from Maji, and now at around, I'm not sure, let me check the time, it's 7:55, and we are going to hop on the train to go to Sydney, so that while we are in Sydney we can hop, you know, to what is it called, we can get an Airbnb there, and then from the Airbnb on Sunday evening we can start our travel back to our motherland. So for the time being, please come along with us as we go to the train station here in Dubbo, board the train and then head off to Sydney. Yeah, so we are going to actually catch a train, and at the same time we also have to catch, we are going to need to catch a bus, because there are some changes that happen due to, let me face myself. Okay. There are some changes that happened due to the travel system. I think the train system had a problem, so we are going to have to catch a bus from Lithgow to Penrith. Then from Penrith we might probably catch another train, and then once we arrive in Sydney, like the CBD area, we can now catch a Uber, because we have a lot of bags and we can't travel with them via the public transport. So yeah, that's our itinerary for the day. I'll take you guys along with me, and I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Please make sure you subscribe, you like, you share, and you comment down below if you haven't, and please send this to as many people as you can, so that your baby girl can get, you know, support worldwide. Thank you guys. See you in my next destination. Beautiful people, it's currently drizzling here in Dubbo. It's a bit very cold this morning. It's not as it was yesterday. The sun, as you can see, it's not shining bright. The clouds are looking very dull because the weather has changed. It is now feeling very, I think it is around, let me check the temperature so that I can tell you the accurate information. So the temperatures here in Dubbo right now are, but is just give me a second it's around 9 degrees right now, meaning it is actually very cold. It doesn't feel as cold as Maji would normally be, because Maji is very cold. I think it's because of the surrounding environment in Maji. Maji is surrounded by a lot of hills, so that makes it sometimes very, very, very cold. I think the breeze, you'd actually think because of it would probably prevent, you know, like, because we have many hills, it would probably be better, but actually it is very cold in Maji. A temperature of 10 degrees feels different from a temperature of 10 degrees here in Dubbo. So yes, but all in all, I think it's gonna warm up during the day. The weather will be better. The winter here, one thing I'm gonna tell you about the winter down here in Australia, it's not as bad as it was in the UK, to be honest. In the UK, 9 degrees, you can't even dare go outside with just what I've worn. Me, I've just worn my sweatpant, you know, my sweatpant sweater, and that's it. But in the UK, you dare not do that. You dare not go outside 5 degrees without gloves. You're gonna be freezing. I think if I'm able to show you, even some people even running this morning with, you know, they're just with their shorts, and yeah, so meaning, and also I think also being an African, the way we insulate the temperature in our bodies, is very different as compared to, you know, the guys that have been born and brought up here. I think they have a better probably immune system when it comes to what is it called, when it comes to how they get along with this cold weather. Because I feel like for an African, well, even if like when they're telling you, oh, you know, it's not that cold. Oh, let me show you guys. This is a pop-up market that is being set over here. It's a pop-up market. A pop-up market is where the local farmers are able to bring their products to come and sell, and it's actually very good. And on that note, let me give you guys some information that I think you guys will need. So I'm gonna be planning to bring some African handmade items when I come back. That is one of the biggest projects that I'm actually working on when I go back. to Kenya, and this is because I've realized there's market for that product. You know, we live in regional Australia, and one thing I'll tell you about regional Australia is that the farmers here, they love authentic things, and they're not shy of spending their money. So I looked at it and I was like, you know what, this is gonna be a very lucrative business if I'm to start here, because another advantage is what I showed you guys behind there, the pop-up market. With the pop-up market, every small town here in Australia, most of the time,
in the heart of the savannah, where the wild winds blow, lives an African goddess with a golden glow, with eyes that see beyond and a heart so true. In her presence we find the strength to renew. She's the spirit of the land, the essence of our pride. In her wisdom we find our guide. African goddess, strong and free. In her power we find our key. With her love we rise above. African goddess, pure as a dove. Through the rivers and the mountains she walks with grace. In every village and town we see her face. Her spirit in the trees, her voice in the rain. In her embrace we break every chain. African goddess.
guys, this is just the train station here in the train station. This is the, apparently we have to go by bus because there's been change of plans. The train is not working today, so we have to go to Lisbon, then from Lisbon catch the train. So just got to show you guys, this is the bus we are going with from Dubbo, then from Lisbon we use the train.
So we break every chain. African goddess, strong and free. In her power we find our key. With her love we rise above. African goddess, pure as a dove. In the light of her presence we stand tall. With her guidance we never. Sunday rise, morning daybreak, we dey wake, no time for shake. Life not journey, we dey take step by step. With the sunshine, we dey set for the best. Vibes of the sun, they make me feel right. Under the daylight, we dey shine so bright. Life not melody, we dey dance under sun rays. Today, not today, we dey enjoy all the way. Heat for the skin, breeze they blow. Life sweet, now so the story go. We gather round, laughter in the air. In the sunshine, every moment we share. See as the day bright, from morning till night. The sun they give us light, everything they alright. Hold on to what is true, as we they pass through. The sun go guide, we go in everything we dives of the sun, they make me feel right. Under the daylight, we they shine so bright. Life not melody, we they dance under sun rays. Today, not today, we dey enjoy all the way. Vibes of the sun, they make me feel right. Under the daylight, we dey shine so bright. Life no melody, we dance under sun rays. Today, not today, we dey enjoy all the way. The love I give, no be small thing. Hearts wide open, I throw the key within. But not every hand they hold on tight. Some just they play with them all through the night. Price of me heart, it won't be cheap. If they cost plenty, no just they can keep. Handle with care, handle with truth. Price of me heart, you need real proof. I don't shed tears, don't shed laughs too. Each one they add to the price that's true. No they rush to claim what you know feet afford. Cause this heart don't count losses, it's once ignored. So if you're ready to pay the price, make sure your love's strong, make sure you're nice. No half measures, no deceit. Only true love can meet the receipt. Price of me heart, it won't be cheap. If they cost plenty, no just pick and keep. Handle with care, handle with truth. Price of me heart, you need real proof. So take your time, no need to rush. The price of me heart, it's way much. With love and respect, we can start to find the true value of a heart. Your time, no need to rush. The price of my heart, it's way much. With love and respect, we can start to find the true value of a heart. The love I give, no be small thing. Hearts wide open, I throw the key within. But not every hand they hold them tight. Some just they play with them all through the night. Price of me heart, it won't be cheap. If they cost plenty, no just they can keep. Handle with care, handle with truth. Price of me heart, you need real proof. I don't shed tears, don't shed laughs too. Each one they add to the price that's true. No they rush to claim what you know feet afford. Cause this heart don't count losses, it's once ignored. So if you're ready to pay the price, make sure your love's strong, make sure you're nice. No half measures, no deceit. Only true love can meet the receipt. Price of me heart, it won't be cheap. If they cost plenty, no just pick and keep. Handle with care, handle with truth. Price of me heart, you need real proof. So take your time, no need to rush. The price of me heart, it's way much. With love and respect, we can start to find the true value of a heart. So take your time, no need to rush. The price of my heart, it's way much. With love and respect, we can start to find the true value of a heart.
What's up, beautiful people? Okay, finally, I'm in Sydney, but I'm in Penrith. Let me tell you. Acha hapa nitaongea na Kiswahili. Unaona ile irony ya vitu? Unaona vile normally uko ukifika like kwa train station ama kwa bus station, unapata ni vijana barubaru wako kungoja hapa. Unajua nani wanakungoja hapa? Wazee. Wazee ndio wanakutolea taxi. Wazee. Baba yako nakwambia ni wazee. Hakuna mavijana wafanyi kazi ya wafanyi kazi ya transport, sio love. Ni wazee. Hadi unashindwa kwani mavijana wako wapi? Kwa nini wazee wamenangana na baba? Niko na hiccups lakini. So ebu ona zile bags zenye tuko nazo, like look at the bags we have. Now, you know the stress is how do we get to our next destination without Aki? Let me tell you, this journey has taken us 6 hours, and if you would have been coming from our place in Maji, it would have been probably 3 hours. Actually, it would have been 3 hours, but a journey of 3 hours has taken us 6 hours because of convenience. Like we had to look for something convenient because the stress we had is if we drive all the way here, what are we gonna do when it comes to parking the car? Because we can't leave the car also like parking at the city for that long. It's gonna be very expensive. So we need to cut. Oh my guys, what a hectic day. Like I'm already so exhausted, and we're just in day 2 of traveling. We started traveling on Thursday. We went to Dubbo. Then from Dubbo, here we are today in Sydney. Now again tomorrow we are traveling. I'm telling you, it's been quite a hectic day. I'm telling you, we were meant to be here earlier if we had actually decided to just drive ourselves, but because of the dynamics of the car, we are gonna leave it, and we also didn't want to spend a lot of money, because for you to leave it in the airport, it means you're gonna have to spend a lot of money, which in the first place, I mean, it's not reasonable. So we had to choose our struggles, and this is the struggle we chose. But let me tell you, to say I'm tired is an understatement. And also, apart from that, my lips are quite dry because I had a flu, and it's like it's coming back. So I feel very funny. I also got vaccines yesterday, and also since I'm gonna be traveling to Mombasa, I started my prescription. They gave me a prescription of malaria something, just to prevent in case I'm in a malaria area zone. So it's quite a lot. Sorry. Can take you guys to the train station and see. This is how the train looks like. There are actually no people over here. Typically, this is what the train looks like. This is Penrith, Blacktown. Okay, let's go back. Come, and then you press over here. Press that. And you're back. Thank you. Nimeonyesha.
I wanna go Africa where the sun be blaze. Walk up through the savannah for the ancient ways. See the colorful market, smell the spices in the air. Everywhere you look, beauty there everywhere. I wanna go to Africa, make her feel the vibe, where the roots stay deep and the spirit they alive. From the Niger beats to the Ghana dance, let the music carry me, give me one more chance. I want meet the people, make we share some love, learn the local pidgin, even learn to craft. From the pyramids in the north to the Cape down south, I want soak all in, with no doubt. Oh, Africa, the call is sweet, my dear. If you pull my heart, I did come near. With open arms and open mind, what I go find, I wonder what I go find. I wanna go to Africa, make her feel the vibe, where the roots stay deep and the spirit they alive. From the Niger beats to the Ghana dance, let the music carry me, give me one more chance. Ah, wah, 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 wah. Ah, da, wah, da, wah, 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 wah. Ah, wah, 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 wah. Ah, wah, wah, wah.
Hey beautiful people, guess what guys, I'm currently in Sydney after 8 hours guys, after 8 hours of travel from 9 o'clock, and right now it's 5:30, I think 5. So you can imagine, we've traveled, hi baby, we've traveled the whole day, but finally we're in Sydney. We are at the train station right now. We wanna go get an Uber to our next stop. It's been quite a heavy day, but I still have some few things I need to look for here in Sydney before I continue with my day. We still have a long way to go. Let me show you guys around from where here. Archers. Ni mtu asipote hapa juu. Hapa juu. Tunaangalia the archers. Siniingia hivi nichukue video alafu nikuje. Mtu ni kuwapeleke round muone.
The whole luggage you can get. Yes. Another 2 minutes I can fit. Toka hapo mbele ili uendelee kuchukua. Kama ili uendelee kuchukua.
Hey, I'm okay.
No, all right, ma'am. So, show me the address, please.
So the address is if you put the address then you can see.
Just
That's the address. You can
yeah. Number 2.
Oh, did I touch any?
Yes, this is Enclave. Here to, 10 kilometers far away.
it's quite a distance. Is it near the airport?
Yes, this is near the airport.
Okay.
Just summer go bust, I go shine like star. No shaking, no fear, I go reach so far. From sunrise to night, I go day on top. This summer now my time, no be joke, no flaw. Me I dey ready, I dey set, so shaking, no regret. I go hustle, I go grind. This summer, I go find. This summer, I go find. This summer gonna be mine. This summer gonna be fine. No shaking, I dey align, align. This summer na my time, time. No time for dolly, no time for play. I go work hard, make it pay. From January to May, I don't dey plan. This summer go sweet, I go show them. Me I dey ready, I dey set, so shaking, no regret. I go hustle, I go grind. This summer, I go find. This summer, I go find. This summer gonna be mine. This summer gonna be fine. No shaking, I dey align, align. This summer na my time, time. From morning to night, I go day on top. No shaking, no fear, I go reach so far. This summer burning my mind. This summer I go find. This summer gonna be mine. This summer gonna be fine. No shaking, I dey align, align. This summer na my time, time. The summer go bust, I go shine like star. No shaking, no fear, I go reach so far. From sunrise to night, I go day on top. This summer now my time, no be joke, no flaw. Me I dey ready, I dey set, so shaking, no regret. I go hustle, I go grind. This summer, I go find. This summer, I go find. This summer gonna be mine. This summer gonna be fine. No shaking, I dey align, align. This summer na my time, time. No time for dolly, no time for play. I go work hard, make it pay. From January to May, I don't dey plan. This summer go sweet, I go show them.